In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a person's role, client versus team, in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to make this change, what each role means, and what happens when you switch someone from one type to another. This is done at the account level, and it's important to know that only admins and the account owner have permission to change user types. You'll make role changes in a special area called Admin Land. This is where all account-wide settings live, including people management. From your Basecamp home screen, head to the top right corner and click your avatar. In the menu that opens, choose Admin Land. Once you're there, select Manage People. This page shows a list of every user in your account, along with quick options for managing their access. Find the person whose role you want to change. Next to their name, click the three dots or the Options button, and look for something labeled Change Access or a similar option. This opens the role selector, where you can assign them as an employee, an outside collaborator, or a client. When you pick a new role, Basecamp updates their access across the account, so it's a good idea to double-check you're selecting the right one for how you want them to participate. Here's a quick way to think about each choice. Employee is for internal team members with the broadest, team-level access. Outside collaborator is for external partners who need more visibility than a typical client, but still shouldn't have admin rights. Client is the most restricted role, designed for people outside your organization who should only see what you explicitly share with them. If you change someone from employee to client, they become a client user and will lose access to internal-only items and any admin capabilities. Clients do not see internal discussions or documents by default. They'll only see project content you specifically share with clients, because Basecamp hides most items from clients unless you choose to expose them. Clients also cannot create projects, invite people, or change project settings. If you change someone from client to outside collaborator, they gain more access than clients while still not becoming a full employee. They can see more of the content inside the projects they're part of, similar to how your team sees things, but they won't have admin privileges. This is a good fit when you trust an external partner to work closely with your team. After changing roles, communicate the update so the person knows what to expect, and review project sharing to ensure they can see exactly what they need. No more, no less. That's it. You've successfully changed a person's role in Basecamp.